Are you upgrading to a new PC but dreading the hassle of reinstalling apps, copying files, and redoing all your settings? That's where today's deal comes in handy. Meet the PC Transfer Kit Bundle, featuring PCmover Professional, Disk Image, and Safe Erase. A powerful trio from Laplink that helps you move, back up, and securely erase your data. And the best part, you can grab a lifetime license for all three on Stack Social. The PC Transfer Kit Bundle is a complete solution for anyone switching computers or managing data between devices. Together, these three tools cover everything you need: transferring, backing up, and cleaning up your PCs. This bundle is perfect for anyone upgrading to a new PC and wants to move their stuff without starting from scratch. IT professionals and small business owners who regularly set up or refurbish computers. Privacy-conscious users who want to securely erase old drives before selling or donating them. Or just everyday users who want peace of mind knowing their data is backed up safely. Here's why this bundle stands out. Effortless PC migration. Move your apps, files, and settings automatically. No reinstalling needed. Full system backups. With Disk Image, you can create a mirror image of your entire PC to restore later. Military-grade data erasure. Safe. Erase wipes your files so they can never be recovered. Fast and flexible transfers. Use Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or even a USB 3.0 connection. It's designed to save hours of setup time and eliminate the stress of data loss when upgrading or replacing computers. Normally, these three Laplink tools would cost around $129 combined, but through Stack Social, you can grab the entire bundle for just $34. That's a 73% discount. It's a one-time payment with non-expiring licenses, meaning you can use them for life. No annual renewals or hidden fees. Let's break it down quickly. Pros. Transfers files, apps, and settings automatically includes backup and secure erase tools. Cons. Transfer speed depends on your connection type. Overall, the pros easily outweigh the cons, especially for the price. If you're planning to upgrade your PC, or just want a reliable way to back up and protect your data, the PC Transfer Kit Bundle is absolutely worth checking out. You get PCmover Professional, Disk Image, and Safe Erase, all with lifetime access for under $35. I'll leave the deal link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more lifetime deal reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.